Hello viewers, once again this is Neil. Today we are going to look at how to search a learner's identification number of any student on the EMIS web portal. So here I have my browser. Just type in EMIS. Click on the website link. So we have to go into the EMIS account of our schools. Type in the enter email account and the password. Then finally you sign in. So you have to be within your school account in order to do that. So you come to learners, you click on this arrow here to show you more options. Then you move to search LIN. So when you click search LIN, it will bring you this form where you have to fill in the students' details. For example, the exam year and the index number of that learner whom you want to get the learner's identification number. So EMIS team have done a great job by simplifying the way we search the LIN. So here we can just have the year of exam of that student, and then the index number. Automatically we shall have the LIN. So we shall enter the exam year, which is 2019 of what I have here, and then here we type in the index number of the learner, which is that one, index number of the learner. After typing, you click search. So when you click search, automatically you'll be provided with the details of the student. If the learner was registered on the EMIS web portal, it will be able to bring you these details here, plus the LIN that you will be looking for. Now this is the current class of the student. They have not promoted her, and the gender is that. This is the current school or the school where she is from, but she has migrated. She's in a new school now, which is this one here. So I have to bring her this side. How should I do it, or how do I do it? So I have to get this LIN here. So after extracting the details of the learner and getting the LIN, we're supposed to either transition or transfer this learner. So this learner is in senior 2. We shall do what we call a transfer. She's from another school, now she's in this school here. So what I'll do, I'll copy this LIN. First of all, I'll have to open up the notepad section where I have to put that LIN first. You come to search section down here, and then you just type note, and you click on notepad. After clicking notepad, you come back here, you just select this on the LIN. You right click. After selecting, you choose copy. Then you just come back to your notepad and paste here. Right click and then paste. So here we can do the editing, we'll remove all the spaces within this number. After that, we shall come back to our dashboard or our school account. You come and choose the option. What do you want to do with this learner? So you are to transfer or transition. So we shall click transfer. Then transfer. Then you come here, you say transfer learner. The option is here, transfer learner up here. Then here we'll be provided with this form where I have to enter the LIN now. So I have to go back to my notepad. I'll be able to copy this LIN, select and right click, you say copy. You come to this section, you right click and you paste the LIN. Then you proceed. So when you click proceed, it will bring you the details of the learner, the current school, which is that, and that is the learner's name, and she's the one. I can prove that because I have the information here. So make sure you transfer the right learner onto your school. Check all the details. So the current school that's where she was studying from. I have to bring her back to this school. So I will select the class. She's now in senior 3. have to select the reason for transfer. You have to select the reason for transfer. What's the reason why they is transferring the learner? Maybe it is school fees issues. You click parents relationship. We have that. Then you provide the LIN of the LIN of the parent. I have the LIN of the parent. After you type in the telephone number, you have to provide even the telephone number that was used when they were registering the learner. So make sure you type the correct information. Type the correct information. So we can verify here. Verify. Yes. That is the parent, which is on the form here. So now I can make a transfer. You click on transfer. So I click on transfer. So you have to wait until the transfer process is complete. You have to be patient until the transfer is complete. Okay, so that's how you search a learner's identification number for any student, and thereafter you either transfer or transition that learner. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. God bless you.